Welcome friends in Science Lecture 3 Lesson 5 Periodic Classification of Elements. In this particular lecture we are going to learn about Mendeleev's periodic table, that is making order out of chaos. That is a topic, Mendeleev's periodic table. So the scientist, that is Dmitry Mendeleev, Ivanek Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, right, developed a periodic table of his time after Newland. That means he and actually Newland were of same time, but Newland proposed the periodic table and Dmitry Mendeleev proposed it later. But Mendeleev's periodic table was more prominent and acceptable of his time. He was a Russian and Newland was, I think so, British. So Mendeleev's periodic table was more prominent. Mendeleev started his work with 63 elements. Fine, he started his work with 63 elements, and which were known of his time. He examined the relation between atomic masses of the elements and physical and chemical properties. This was very important because this time he started calculating with his the elements physical proper atomic according to atomic masses with respect to its physical properties also, and that is atomic masses and chemical properties also. Mendeleev concentrated on hydrogen and oxygen as a reactive elements. So for chemical properties, what he did, that he focused on hydrogen and oxygen, and he formed compounds of hydrides, that is reacting with hydrogen forms hydrides and oxygen forms oxides with most elements. Fine. He treated this on one of his basic properties of an element for classification in terms of the chemical properties. Right, you are able to see he has formed oxides of it. Fine. And also in his periodic table, you are able to see the formation of RH group. Fine. If you are able to see this RH formation, that is this first group, second group, third group, is how they are forming with hydrides, and this is oxygen as an oxide. So R is an element and H is an hydrogen, O is an oxygen. So you are able to see its formation of oxide formations and hydride formation mentioned in its periodic table. So this is a Mendeleev periodic table, which is actually given in your classwork textbooks, and you may see this upon. This is 5.4 table. Fine. Going furthermore, he started out elements with same, that is similar properties, and pin cards, that is he made a card of all the properties of the one element and fixed it on the wall together on the wall and observed it in its place in periodic table. Then he started observing its place, and according to its atomic masses he started arranging. So he arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses. So taking an average of the two, he started preparing the periodic table. He arranged the elements on the basis of both physical and chemical properties. So he has consider both physical properties also and chemical properties also, and framed its law, which states that properties of elements are the periodic function of its atomic masses. That means as the atomic masses are increasing and every element is repeated with its chemical and physical properties, accordingly he has arranged, like sodium, potassium and all. As you are able to see here lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, these all elements are having same chemical properties, and according to its atomic mass they are being periodic functions. That means every eighth element is having a same properties. So according to it he has arranged. Mendeleev periodic table contains vertical columns, that means vertical things. These vertical ones, all these vertical ones are called as groups, and from left to right these are called as periods. So vertical columns are called as groups and horizontal columns are called as period. Fine. So I hope so you understood this much. Furthermore, we are going to work for the next video. Thank you.